Are you looking for the best men's razor blade in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best men's razor blade that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Gillette Manual Men's Razor Blade Refills, 12 count. These men's razor blade refills achieve their advanced 5-blade shaving technology by having their 5 blades spaced closer together. The technology enables these refills to distribute the shaving force across the blades. By so doing, it enables these blades to minimize pressure as well as introducing more comfort and ensuring less irritation. That aside, these razor blade refills also feature flexible comfort guard with 15 microfins that will follow the contours of your face to help give a comfortably close shave. Moreover, most users admit that these razor blade refills have an indicator lubrication strip that fades to white when you are no longer getting an optimal shave. Another feature that users like is the precision trimmer, which is designed for tricky spots such as sideburns, around facial hair, and under the nose. At number 4, Gillette Mach 3 Men's Razor Blades, 10-blade refills. Everyone is familiar with Mach 3 men's razor blade refills because they work well. For instance, these blade refills come loaded with features that are very handy for getting neat shaves every single occasion. They have steel blades, which are obviously stronger than most blades. In fact, the manufacturer has made these blades with steel, so they can last up to 15 comfortable shaves. Another standout feature of these blade refills is the lubrication strip, which glides to protect the skin from redness. Also, there is a microfin skin guard, which does not just stretches the skin but also prepares hair to be cut. The blade refills are designed to fit all Mach 3, and this means you will not be inconvenienced in any way. At number 3, Gillette ProGlide Men's Razor Blades, Fusion 5. What makes these men's razor blades get a place in these reviews is that they feature anti-friction technology, which enables them to shave you barely free. They also have a precision trimmer, which is on the back to ensure that hard-to-access places like sideburns and under the nose are reached easily. According to Gillette, these men's razor blade refills are the finest and thinnest blades they have ever produced. This means the blades will glide through hair with less pull and tug. Moreover, the Fusion 5 ProGlide men's razor blades have enhanced lubristrip that includes more lubricants than the Fusion 5. They will, therefore, shave you smoothly and efficiently. They come in a pack of 4, which is just enough to last you up to a month. At number 2, Gillette Venus Women's Original 3-Blade Razor Refills. Gillette Venus Original 3-Blade Refills are available up to 8 counts. And we believe that these are enough to last for a reasonable period of time. Ideally, these blade razor refills boast a flexible design. Hence, they can fit all Venus razor handles apart from simply Venus. Gillette has equipped these blades with the Venus Classics 3-blade technology, so they can let you enjoy a silky smooth shave every time. Plus there is a lubristrip featuring a touch of aloe to enable the razor to glide easily over the skin. Another feature we believe will make you like these razor blade refills is the indicator strip, which fades to let you know that you are no longer getting optimal shaves. Also, there are protective cushions to give you a great shave consistently. At number 1, Gillette Venus and Olay Women's 5-Blade Razor Refills, 4 count. In our opinion, you should buy such blade razor refills as these ones. And this is because they have a curve-hugging design, which enables them to give a close shave for incredibly smooth skin. These blade razor refills also feature built-in Olay moisture bars that release lush body butters when wet to give an improved shaving experience and amazing comfort. Ideally, we like the fact that the manufacturer has gone an extra mile to equip them with flexible moisture bars, so they can flex with your body's curves to give a close, comfortable, and smooth shave. Since these blades are designed with ultimate comfort in mind, we believe that they are exactly what you need to enjoy your shaves. They will not irritate your skin because they have the Venus Comfort Glide technology. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.